Okay, now we've reached the vocabulary section of part 3. Our vocabulary word for today is canyon. So a canyon, by definition, is a deep valley separated by a river. If you've seen pictures of the Grand Canyon, you can see that there are high walls of rock that go down to a river that goes through it. If I were to quickly draw a canyon, I would draw some wavy lines that show a river that snake through. And then on the sides, I might draw a high wall of rock that's uneven at the top. And I might even shade some of this in to show that the sun is actually coming from the other side. So maybe there's some shadow here. So there's our deep valley. Your job on the form that I put online is to use the word canyon in a sentence.